Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you that how you will perform a email verification like tasks on your localhost computer. Whenever you create a new website, you have to test your uh, email like services where whenever a new user is registered on your website, your services, then you have to confirm that the registered user is a genuine user. So you send them a email verification where the user have to tap on confirm email link and it will be open on browser, and there will be the email verification task completed. So in this video we are using XAMPP. It is a popular one by which we can create a such thing like we have used a Mercury in XAMPP. Mercury is a free available software that used for localhost. For that you have to see the what I have done on the screen, that I have already built a user. You can see here Asu and Asu Kumar and simple passport 128 done, and already another one personal blog I have created this and simple passport. So by same you have to create according to your need, and here you have to register your account. A registered email account can communicate with each other. Okay, then for example we are creating a new email account. For example, just that is our username, and second is personal name, where you can choose a name like uh, first name and surname. Yes, we have created this, and so to test this we need to create a, a test email PHP file. But before you have to download a Thunderbird, that is a local email host. Yep. Yes. For this we have write the name just that, and the email address is just tutorial localhost, and we will continue. And here you can see that is a looking up your configuration. It will identify and find that because our Mercury server is online. You can see here these are the info that how will it communicate incoming server and outgoing server like this. So you don't have to see here so much, just click continue. Configuration found already. Your credential will only be stored in locally on computer, so that you have to put the password whatever you have created when you building when you creating a user account on your Mercury server. So that you can see here already I have login that, and just right now I have login just at localhost. Okay, here this is the basic by default. Whenever you create a new account, it will send a welcome to Pegasus mail. Okay, here is a test mail sent, is a PHP file. This is the opening. Here you can see a simple script, that is a personal blog, localhost, subject test mail, and message is something quite simple. And from ASU localhost, we have already created this account. Already I have shown it. Now we need to perform that it is actually working or not. So basically we will run the our PHP script. Okay, here PHP test email send.php and done, and you can see that this is the working here. For now up just that localhost sending to this from what you can see here ASU at localhost. These two thing is necessary to work. It won't be work. It will catch that the user is not registered. Okay, it will not work. Already it will grab that. Just for sake we are sending, but it will look at here. It will find that the address is not registered. Here you can see here unknown, invalid. You can see here sender address any random, anything random you cannot put, just registered. So whenever you send something, it need to be already created on Mercury server, and you have to log in on Thunderbird local client. Yep. So here if something is not showing, you can refresh here. This is just download purpose. Okay, now I am changing to actual registered email address. Okay, and we are sending, and we are looking at log. Yes, yeah, you can see here from ASU localhost. Yes, received. Okay, that is log. This means it is successfully working. Thanks for viewing my video.